I
try
see
this
you're
again.
calling from 765-459-9301. Is that the phone number listed on your radio?
Yes.
Thanks. I'll just look that up.
God. This is unbelievable.
Now, in a few words, please tell me the reason for your call. You can say something like, set up my internet, or pay my bill. So, briefly tell me what you're calling.
Operator.
One moment while I get more information. So that I can send your call to the best place, I need to know the general reason for your call. For payments or balance information, say account information, or press 1. For technical support or repair, say tech support.
Tech support.
2. Sorry, please say account information, or press 1. Tech support, or press 2. Okay, which service are you calling about? Wireless phone? Phone line?
Phone line.
My records show that you have 2 bills with us. One for UVerse service and one for telephone and other services. My records also show that this second bill is past due. To make a payment on your account right now over the phone using a credit card or your checking account, say, make a payment. Otherwise, if you need to discuss your bill with an agent first, say, discuss my bill. Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Because that's not the option.
Say, make a payment or discuss my bill.
We'll press 0. Operator.
Sorry, this office is currently closed.
I'm trying to call repair. I'm trying to call repair. Oh my God. That's repair number. That is the repair number.